Good morning to everyone. My name is Vai Gautami. I am working as a management lecturer. Today we are going to discussing about the topic is types of advertising media. So what is the meaning of advertising? The advertising, it is a promotional tool for the product. Without advertisement, they can't make sale through the profit manner. So that's why every customer, they may be so much of interested by the see of advertisement. The advertisement plays a very vital role in the marketing field. Because of the reason, every advertisement gives to employment for the actors, and the advertising may be due to attraction to the customers to purchase of decision power. So without advertising, the sales manner may be not a perfect way. So that's why we needs to advertising. The advertising means it is a promotional tool. The promotional tool says it is a promoted to a product to the society. So how many types of advertising media? So we maybe see the types like advertising, television, film wise, radio advertising, newspaper, magazines. So these are the some of the points of advertising. So these types are classified one by one. The first one is types of advertising media. In that first point is press and publicity. Press and publicity. So everyone knows what is the meaning of press. The press is a channel, it is a media to awareness created to the public. So what they happen in the society, they maybe shows their channels like news channels, advertisement channels, film channels, music channels. So we have a different type of channels to give to their promotion to the products. So in this type maybe comes under like newspapers, and magazines. So everyone uses newspapers like we see so many of newspapers daily. They may be published what is the film news and what is the family news and what is the sports news. Everything maybe they published by the newspapers only. And the second one is magazines. The magazines are maybe weekly magazines or annual magazines or 15 days magazines. So these are helpful to publish about the information like journals, ledgers, about the information company. They may be publish their articles through the magazines. Example like Swati magazines, so Wipro magazines, Infosys magazines. So these are publish the information about the company profile, information to the, so who are the interested to put their investment like a shareholders. The shareholders are also daily visited to the newspaper and magazine papers because of the reason easy to identification what is the gold value. It is high or it is low. So what is the share market value? It is high or low. So if what the coming up and downs, everything may be see. They easy to identify the publishing of information through newspapers and magazines. And the second category is direct mail. The direct mail says who are the producers to the product, they directly send to their mails through the customers. So when the customer read the message, after their wish only, they may be purchase the sales product. It is the direct mail. The direct mail is direct link between producer to customer and consumer. So they may be provided direct link bridge connection to the producer to customer by the help of direct mail. And the third one is outdoor advertising media. So it is oldest method because of the reason it was a historical method. We can see in the past days also outdoor advertising method. It is familiar name like mural advertising method. The mural advertising means we can make some sound. The sound may be attracted to customer. What happened there? They go and see what they are the marketing. So they may be purchase the goods. This is the outdoor advertising media. It is the oldest method. And the next method is audio and visual methods. So this method we are followed in modern days because of the reason we provided the visual methods of ad. The visual methods may be attracted to the eyes of customer. So when they attracted to the eyes of customers, automatically they want to purchase. They may be create enthusiasm to their minds. So I want to purchase that product because of the reason when they may be attracted by the advertisement. The audio and visual methods example like the first one is radio advertising. It is a not follow for present days because of the reason every home not available radios. It may be available to in simple icons like in mobile icons. And the second one is television method. So television method, it is a present followed method. It may be gives the information by the ads through actors like a visually. So when the customer visually see the ad, at the time they may be believe the product. So it is our favor. So it is our familiar product. How they can use? They may be easy to identify. The first point is radio advertising method. In this method only we can provide audio. But the customers don't see the advertising, they may be only heard the, so what is the advertising and what is the product. And the second method is television method. The television method, it may be in the form of visually and audio. It is a combination of both. So that's why the customers may be interacted to the directly by the customers. So what are the products and what are the uses of product? They may be see the actors indirectly. So that's why we can increase the sales like promotion tool. And next one, last one is film advertising. Film advertising. So whenever the audience to watch the film, they may be went to the film. At the time becomes in the starting, they may be provided some ads to the channel. So because of the reason who are the interested to see the movie, they compulsory see the advertisement also. So this is the film advertising. The film advertising, it is display before a film starting. And the next one is specialty advertising. The specialty advertising is, it is entirely published to the company for their name identification to the customers. Because of the reason the customers never purchased these type of books, like example calendars and journals and diaries. So these are the promoted to the product of company or college. They may be published like this specialty of advertising. The specialty of advertising, it is totally expenditure of the manufacturer. They may be never purchased to customer, but the customer when they got the calendar, they may be easy to identify the. So when see the date and time, at the time they may be follow the what is the calendar given. So they may be provided to the information. That's why they may be provided to the calendars, journals and diaries to the customers. And the last one is point of purchasing method. Point of purchase. So in the point of purchase sense, we can select one point of area, place, location. So we can particularly select what are the famous circle. We can publish our products there only. Examples like showrooms, and window display, and exhibitions. So these are the methods for the point of purchase. So where the customers are meet together a group of person, that places we are particularly selected like showrooms, window displays and exhibitions. Because of the reason the customers are all gathered there, they may be purchase our products. So these are the types of advertising media. So entirely the types of advertising media categories like press and publicity, like newspapers and magazines. The direct mails means without any intermediaries, we can direct link between the producers to consumer, And the outdoor advertising media, it is also known as moral advertising media. And the audio-visual method, the information may be provided visually and audiovisually. So this is like example, radio advertising, television advertising, and film advertising. And the specialty advertising, the manufacturer provided to their information to publish to customers. Example like calendars, journals, diaries, skyballs, cap distributions, short distribution. So these are the examples of specialty advertising. So for example, t-shirt ad comes under the specialty advertising. So when the person wear the t-shirt, so when see the public, they may be identified this is that particular company product. And the point of purchase method becomes like showrooms, window displays, exhibitions. So these are the familiar place to reach the customers. Okay students, thank you so much.